I'm tired. Wow, super a lot of burping today. Thanks for the follow. Are you ready? Are you ready? You guys need a more rest. Are you ready? What word will you teach today? I will teach family word in Korean, like a grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, gentleman, like that. And also, I will teach. Not motherfucker, what the fuck? Your neighbor is crying? I don't care. Fuck up. And then I will write down your name in Korean. For example, Yami. Yami. Or Yami. Shit, my handwriting shit. Yummy. 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 Like that. I try to write down. Actually, I already taught the basic of the Korean in the past. So I will teach how can you write down in English, in Korean. Like for example, hands up. Please hands up. First, please hands up. Who will hands up first? 아, 거주인님 감사합니다. Hands up. Okay, Frank, wait. Frank and Washington. Wait. Or for example, I will do for Frank. Oh shit. Shit. For 유자님. 야미 아이고 유자님 호스팅 감사합니다. 고맙습니다 유자님. 방송 너무너무 평소보다 일찍 방송하셨네 오늘. 아이고 진짜 나나 welcome right here. Hi guys. 유자님 안녕하세요. 나나 방송 너무너무 수고하셨습니다. 레이드 너무너무 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 레비님 팔로우 감사합니다. 고마워요. 트아. 아, 근데 제 팔찌시에요. 오늘 방송 일찍 하신 거 아니에요? 평소보다 일찍 하신 거 같은데 아닌가? 트아. 아, 진짜요? 트아. 방송 너무너무 수고하셨어요. 아, 유자님 그 나중에 제가 연락 한번 드릴게요. 나중에 술 한번. Jenny burrito. Jenny, thank you so much for the 1 more subscribe gift. Thank you so much, Jenny. And your Frank, thank you so much for the gift to my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. 네, 그래가지고 제가 저도 술 마시는 거 굉장히 좋아하기 때문에 술은 잘은 못 마시지만 술 마시는 거 또 겁나 좋아해가지고 나중에 연락 한번 드릴게요. 저 오늘도 술방하거든요. 오늘도는 아니고 오랜만에. Thanks for the follow. 난민님들 반가워요. 감사합니다. 구독 얻어먹는. 요즘 9시에 3시요. 그게 좋아요. 근데 그게 건강에 더 좋긴 해요. 그게 좋죠. 맨날 아침에 자는 것보다 그게 훨씬 좋아요. 맞아요. Oh, Jetty! Jetty is in Korea. Jetty, thank you so much for the 10 gift subscribe. Oh my goodness, Jetty, thank you so much. Jetty, thank you so much for the 10 gift subscribe. Thanks a lot, and thank you so much, Jetty. That is your name. That is not Jedi, but anyway, thank you so much, Jetty. Thank you so much, Jetty. Thank you so much. 네, 그래가지고 제가 연락 한번 드릴게요. 같이 술 한잔. Oh, Frank. Burrito. Frank burrito. Jetty, Frank and Jetty, thank you so much for the gift subscribe. Frank and Jetty, thank you so much for giving the chef list. That is a chef list. But thank you so much, Jetty and Frank. And Jetty, thank you so much for the 1 more gift subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. 네, 제가 방송하고 제가 아마 내일쯤에 내일 낮에 일어나서 좀 스케줄을 짤 거라서 그때 한번 연락 드릴게요. 네, 알겠습니다. 아니면 디코 있으면 디코로 연락 드릴게요. 감사합니다. 오늘 레이드 너무너무 감사합니다. 방송 너무너무 수고하셨어요. 좋은 꿈 꾸세요. 네네네. 그럼 제가 디코로 연락 드릴게요. 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. Wait. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 1 more gift subscribe. 네, 감사합니다. Thank you, 유자. Thanks a lot. Hello, David. Anyway, guys, I will teach kind of like this. Actually, Jetty is Jedi. And that is, you guys need to use a little basic of the Korean. Like Hangul. Oh shit, what the fuck, where am I? I will. Anyway, guys. Anyway. Like, hello, Bongzi. Oh shit. I uploaded about. Wait. Like using like the. Oh shit. Are using like the. I will write down your name in Korea using like these. Using this kind of like this. Like for example, Jetty, J sound. Check it up, J over there. So I use this one. Jetty. E is over there, and D sounds is over there, and D-E, Jetty. So why I call you Jetty? Jedi. If your name is gonna be Jedi, you need to put E. Not Jetty. You don't have E, so I called you always Jetty. But if you have one more E, I will call Jedi. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I will change it soon. But I will teach Korean word first. Okay, dokie, yo. Is it true? Yes. Okie dokie. Wait, I will teach Korean family word first. Hotji.